Equipment familiarization, digital multimeter, and breadboard.
Hi guys, I'm Farah Hanat Hussein.
And I'm Walter Torreblanca.
And I'm Krista. And today we are going to make a tutorial on how to use DMM.
And breadboard. Breadboards. Breadboards are one of the most fundamental pieces when learning how to build circuits. In this tutorial, you will learn a little bit what breadboards are, why it's called breadboard, what its function, and how to use it. Maybe you might be wondering what any of this has to do with bread. In the history of breadboard, the term breadboard comes from the early days of electronics, when people would literally drive nails or screws into wooden boards on which they had bread in order to connect the circuits. Luckily, since you probably do not want to ruin all your cutting boards for the sake of an electronic circuit project, today there are better options.
A breadboard is a rectangular plastic board with a bunch of tiny holes. And these holes let you insert a electronic components like LED, battery, and etc. Modern breadboard comes in all shapes, size, even in different color. But we're only going to present to you this breadboard provided by the school. You may have noticed that many breadboards has numbers and letters marked on various rows and columns. The purpose of these numbers and letters is help you guide in building your circuits. Circuits can get complicated quickly, and all it takes is one misplaced leg of a component to make the entire circuit malfunction or not work at all. And now, we'll measure the resistance of this resistor. First, we must set the knob to the resistance. Second, connect the meter pen to the resistor. As you can see, the result is 0.799 resistor. As you can see, we have an capacitor. As you can see, the capacitor have two legs, the shorter one and the longest one. The shorter one is for the positive and the longest one for the negative. And now, we will measure the capacitance of this capacitor. First, we must set the knob to this capacitance and connect the meter pen to the capacitor. As you can see, the result is 37.61 capacitance. And now we will going to present to you the basic function and how to use the digital multimeter. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use digital multimeters to measure voltage, current, resistance, and continuity. Every multimeter consists of three main parts: the display, the setting where you can change measurement ranges and choose between measuring voltage, resistance, continuity, capacity, hertz, microampere, milliampere, 10 ampere, and temperature. Usually, probes are black or red. The black one is for the COM port and it's connected to ground or negative. The red probe can be either connected to the voltage, resistance, milliampere, continuity, capacity, and hertz. More advanced multimeters often have more than one port for current, one for measuring lower current. and one for higher current, usually up to 10 ampere.
And now we will going to show you how to measure the voltage of this battery. First, we must plug the red meter pen to the positive probe and this black meter pen to the common ground. Then let's select the voltage. Then let's push the button select to choose whether AC or DC. Then we choose DC. Then let's plug the red meter pen to the positive and the black meter pen to the negative. Uh, as you can see, the output of the that indicated here in the DMM is 4.07, which means that there is something wrong in the battery because that indicated here 4.07 is higher voltage than the indicated here in the battery, which is 3.8 voltage. And now we will going to measure the voltage of the socket in alternating current. Let's let's set the knob to the voltage. Then let's select, as you can see, this is the direct current. Then let's push the select button to select the alternating current. Then let's plug the meter pen. Then the result is 216.6.
As a conclusion, I conclude that digital multimeter and breadboard are very important in the electrical industry. Both of them have different rules. Digital multimeter is used to measure electrical values, specifically voltage, current, and resistance, while breadboard is used to build the circuit. As a conclusion for the DMM and breadboard, I conclude that using DMM helps us to determine a certain value of an electronic component, especially in our course we are dealing with circuits and electricity. And for the breadboard helps us in making circuits in an easier and faster way by just inserting the wire and the legs of the load in the hole without further putting some lead or connecting or joining the wire to the hole. In other words, breadboard helps us eliminate excessive effort.
Generally, DMM have a high degree of accuracy when measuring electrical values like voltage, current, resistance, while breadboard are one of the most fundamental pieces when learning how to build circuits.